Hello everyone. So for today we're gonna need the following things for creating our bows. Ribbon, a beautiful ribbon, matching a fabric. I already ironed the fabric, so we're ready to start. So I'm also gonna use a hot glue gun. I'm gonna put it aside, and something to cut our fabric. I could use scissors, but I'm gonna try using this. And then since I'm using the knife, I'm gonna use a cutting mat so I don't ruin my table. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is to measure the fabric. So I already ironed it and I measured, so I want 120 centimeters, and I'm gonna do 2 bows. So basically I'm gonna cut this piece alongside. And of course I'm gonna use my sewing machine. I could sew by hand, but I'm gonna use my sewing machine today. Okay. Sorry, I had some issues with space in my camera and I could not record how I actually cut it. So I'm gonna fold it in 2. Okay, and the nice ending of the fabric, like this, has to go inside because we're gonna flip it at the very end. So now what I really want to do is to make it look straight, and I can also use one of my alligator clips for this, or maybe, I don't know. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold it again in half so I know more or less where's the middle. So I'm placing the bow 1 finger away and I'm going to sew it. As I'm approaching the end, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna twist the fabric. Okay, I put the needle down and I'm releasing the pressure and putting the pressure down again. So what I want to do is just a hole in the middle. I'm gonna skip a piece so I can then flip it. Okay, I'm going backwards so that it doesn't get loose later. I'm putting back my press, releasing the pressure, putting back the pressure, and keep going. As I arrive to the end, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna put the needle, stop, put the needle down, release the pressure, put back the pressure 1 finger away, and keep going. As I approach the end, I'm gonna make sure it's well finished so I don't lose my points. And there we go. So here's, okay, the extra here, and here's the other extra points, so stitches. I'm going to cut this because this is gonna be the hole that I'm gonna use for flipping it. I don't know if you can see it here. Okay, this is the hole that I'm using for flipping it. I'm gonna trim a little bit more the excess. So it's not gonna be chunky later. Okay. And to be honest, this takes some time. So just be patient. Okay, so I'm ironing. Not too much, because I don't want it to be like super flat, but just a little bit. We are almost done. I have my hot glue gun heating, and I have a needle. I picked the color blue for this, although you're not going to be able to see it. And my ribbon. So, okay, we search the middle and then fold it again, and we fold it again. So I make sure it's centered and nice. And I'm gonna get my needle. There we go. Make sure still in the center. Two. Twist this a few times and secure it in the back. All right. And now What do you think? You like it like this, like teeny tiny? Or do you like the touch of the darker blue here? Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. So, okay, I'm going to secure this one, but I'm gonna finish it with the glue gun. Make sure it's in the middle, has the right orientation. And I'm going to secure this with the hot glue gun. Just a teeny tiny drop because we don't want it to show. So just make sure, I'm just making sure it looks like fluffy on both sides. And finally, I'm touching the hair clip. Some people cover them with some people cover it with a ribbon, but I believe it, I mean, if you put it on the top, it's okay, but still not gonna show. And if you put it on the bottom, it's gonna affect on how, in my opinion, it's not gonna attach so well to the hair. So I just like to basically put them right away. So I'm gonna put a little bit of glue, hot glue here. Not much because I don't want this to be shown in the other side of the bow, but I'm going to push it, press it down, so the whole bow is attached to the hair clip. Final touches, and there we have our hair clip. What do you think? If you liked it and you want to see more of this, please push the like button. It helps me with growing this channel. I know I'm new. I know I'm still learning the whole thing, but hopefully you like it and you want to support my channel and you'll hit that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't done that yet. I hope you want to subscribe. And if you feel like, okay, there's something I could be doing better, feedback is always greatly appreciated. So yes, please leave me a comment. I'll do my best to respond to them, to all of the comments that I get. And yes, I hope to see you around, and I'll be uploading more videos on how I create the products of the shop. I'm thinking maybe I'll record another video to show how I pack the bowls. I have other two, I have another packing video, but just for the ladybug masks. And yeah, maybe I'll do one for the bowls. Just let me know what you think, and I hope to see you around. Have a great day. I'm gonna secure it with hot glue gun as well. Removing the excess. I want to make sure it's sticking very well. And we're missing one. This one's dry already, so So which one's your favorite? Hair clips or hair bow tie?